Today I'm going to be reviewing LOXP Slim Wallet Tracker. This only works with iOS. It is M5 certified, so you can use Find My Phone to find this. I'd like to first thank them for sending this to me to review. This is how thin it is, and I'm going to show you how it works, both sides. First thing, to power it on, just hold that button down for 2 seconds. It's going to beep. It charges wirelessly. This is going to get 6 to 8 months of charge time once you've charged it. Always charges before you start using it out of the box. Not only can you use it in a wallet, just slips in really nicely there. You can put it on luggage. You can put it anywhere, really. It has this little loop up here that you can connect it to your luggage, to a backpack, anywhere you want. This is going to track your stuff. This is only iOS 14.5 or later. This will not work on an Android. It has 2 ways to track it. If it's close, you can actually ask Siri. It's going to find it within 50 feet. Otherwise, it's going to use Apple's global network to help you find this. It is waterproof, and the best part, because it is Apple, your information's encrypted. It's got a 24-month warranty. You have any issues, just give them a call 24/7. They're going to help you out. All right, I got this connected to my Find My on my Apple phone. Just remember that you need to have your Bluetooth on, but you're not going to find this through your Bluetooth. You're going to go to Find My, and then you're going to add this as other device. This comes up as like magic card. Select it, name it, and you're good to go. I'm going to just show you like in my wallet. Here it is right here. And then I'm going to use the app just to play the sound so you can hear what this sounds like. It takes just a second here, so you can hear it. It's pretty loud. I mean, if it was under a bunch of stuff, maybe you wouldn't hear it, but I think if it continually went off, you would find it. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.